You've got thousands of leads sitting in your CRM right now that nobody's touched in months. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to load that entire database into MagicBlocks, point an AI sales agent at it, and run an outbound SMS campaign. Step 1. Go to Messaging Channels. Click Add New Phone Number, select your account, choose a number from the list. And confirm. Step 2. Wait for Twilio to verify. When you see Twilio connected successfully, SMS is live. Australian numbers are ready immediately. US numbers need 10 DLC registration for compliance, which takes 1 to 3 business days. Step 3. Go to the brain, fill in your company name, email, phone number, and select your sales pipeline. Connect any knowledge collections you want the agent to reference and drop your most critical information into priority knowledge. Hit Save and Publish. That's the override layer. You'll see a confirmation that your agent is trained and ready. Step 4. Go to Campaigns. You've got 2 tabs here. Upload Contacts is where you start. Click Download, CSV template, fill it in with your lead data, then drag and drop it into the Upload area. MagicBlocks automaps the key fields: email, phone, first name, last name, user knowledge, and tags. You'll see a live count of how many contacts are ready to import, how many are missing data, and how many are duplicates. Once your contacts are uploaded, configure your campaign settings to run the SMS AI agent. Select an agent. Choose which AI sales agent runs this campaign, in this case, SMS Mortgage AI. Select a sender number. Choose the phone number your contacts will receive messages from. This must be properly configured for SMS delivery before the campaign can go out. Hit Send. That's Campaigns. The aged leads in your CRM that you've been writing off are still warmer than you think. Most of them just need the right message at the right moment. Build your first AI sales agent at magicblocks.ai.